Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Joji, and in today's video I will be showing you how to achieve this transition makeup from winter to spring. So when it comes to transitioning makeup from season to season, it's a bit difficult to think about, okay, what makeup I should wear, because I didn't want to be super in a light side already, or like a pastel color during the spring. That's more likely the makeup, but you still want to be on trend and kind of like suitable for the season. So this is the look that I created today, and it's very easy, guys. What complete this look is the actual lipstick shade, and I will show you that, guys, today. So if you are curious on wanting to know all the products and how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, let me just clip my hair so that we can execute this properly, because my hair is just annoying right now. It's getting too long, and I'm actually thinking, should I cut it or not? Let me know in the comment section down below, because look at that, it's getting so long. Okay, so first thing is, of course, we are using a primer. I will be using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. If you've been here on my channel for long enough, you know that I use this a lot in the Tarte. Alright guys, that is the primer done. Now let's move on to my foundation. For the foundation, you know, I just recently reviewed this foundation and I cannot stop using it, guys. I don't know why. It's just one of the best foundations that I have tried so far. So let me use this with a sponge. I use 2.5 pump. So this is my foundation. As you see, I just added maybe half a pump to just kind of like cover everything, the area that I feel like I needed it the most, which is more likely over here and around here. Then I will set this with powder. I will be using the Estee Lauder translucent powder today. This is not a matte finish. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's not very obvious, but I will be using this. It's very fine, guys. For concealer today, I will use the Tarte Shape tape. I'm in shade 22N. So I'm gonna leave that one there. So I'm thinking of a more of a clean look, not so much of a dramatic, because we're transitioning from winter to spring. So we're definitely gonna show you how I do my eyes. Very simple, guys, but we are going to focus more on the cheek and lips. I'm gonna leave this concealer maybe for about 15 seconds, and I will start filling up my brow. For the brow, I always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in pomade. I'm in dark brown actually. So I'm just gonna speed this up for you guys. Okay, need to blend this concealer now. You don't want to leave this too long, because you don't want that dent around your skin as well. Just enough to kind of make the concealer a little sticky, but not super long. So as you see, it's very easy to just blend, and the product doesn't move a lot, and that's what I like with leaving that concealer a little bit longer. And then I will use the same powder to set this up. We'll finish the brow, and then when I come back, I'm gonna do my eyes. Alright, you guys, I am back with my brow, and I also set my eyes already with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot Eye Primer, so that we can jump into the eyeshadow. So for the palette that I'm gonna be using today is from Anastasia. This is their Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I'm not going to do a crazy eyeshadow because it's a transition to spring. I'm gonna use the shade Sienna. So I will start with that. So I do like to kind of just put it right there, and just like that. Barely have a product on the brush. Second build up here, place it upper. Third build up. And I think that's pretty much the intensity that I want, and then just gonna try to blend this. The next shade would be Burnt Orange, and I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner of my eyes. And for the brush, I will be using the E33 from Sigma. So just lightly go over there. And I will be picking up the Antique Bronze because that is such a beautiful color. There it is. So I'm just basically placing it all over my lid and then blend out with this brush from Sigma. Now I'm gonna grab a darker shade. This one is the Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna use the same brush, really dig into that lash line. So there you have it. That's the eyes that I wanted to achieve today because like I said, we're going to focus more on the cheeks and on the lips. So eyes is very simple. I will finish this eye and then when I come back, I will show you the blush and the lipstick that I'm going to use. So here it is guys, the eye makeup. I also added a false lashes from Ardell. As usual, my favorite one is the Naked Lashes. As you see, it is very natural, but it just adds a little bit more extra in your lashes, which is perfect for me. And then I'm just going to add that shade Antique Bronze on the bottom lashes. So there it is, the eyes. And now let's move on to bronzer. For the bronzer today, I'm just going to use this Patrick Ta bronzer. And I just love the way how it looks like on the skin. Although I really love the contouring here. You can see I use it quite often. But this is the, she's sculpted just a little bit here since we're not wearing masks today. Look at how different is that already. And then a little bit on my forehead. I do love this bronzer guys. It's super buildable and it doesn't look orange on my skin. Yeah, we're just gonna sort of like do that, almost like a blush application, but we are going to apply a blush color there, a little bit on the nose. So let's move on to the blush. I'm very excited because I do love this palette. When I first got this is from NARS. This is their Orgasm on the Beach palette, and when I got this, I use it like every single day, and lately I kind of like stopped, but then this is the perfect blush that I'm looking for today. It's just a nice mix of fall or winter and sort of a spring vibe. I'm going to mix the Orgasm and this orange shade right here, as you can see. So mixing that and then putting this one just right here. And just the brush itself, it delivers and applies the product. Beautiful finish. I'm just gonna build up a bit more. That is perfect. A little bit on the nose. And now we're in the trend right now. And now let's move on to the highlighter. And for the highlighter today, I will be using this one. It's from DIOR and it's on the box, guys. Because you know me, I'm a freak. I love my makeup clean, and especially the packaging if I love. And I also keep the box, if you don't know that yet. I sound like a broken record here. But yes, the highlighter is from DIOR Forever, and this is the Nude Glow. And I feel like this is the perfect shade for that sort of winter to spring transition because it's very neutral. It's not like gold or it's not orange. I have a favorite one from this line as well. It's the Golden Glow. I really love that for summer. But this time, look at this. Look how beautiful that is, giving me that glow. It's super blendable. It is just a perfect amount of glow in it. It's not super striky. And over time, it kind of like fades a little bit, so it will blend out on the skin even better. There you have it. The exciting part is the lipstick. So we have the cheek, which is I love because I'm a big fan of blush, but the exciting part is the lipstick that will carry this look. And I feel like it's such a crucial thing when you're trying to decide what lipstick I should use from like, you know, transitioning from winter to spring. You want to be safe, but you don't want to be so light already, but you don't want to be so dark, because it's in that middle. So I have the perfect shade for you guys to see. So let's pull that up. Charan! This is from Estee Lauder Envy Liquid Matte 401 Burnt Raisin. Now look, watch how this shade will give us life, will give this makeup justice. Ooh, exciting guys, exciting. So there you have it guys, the lipstick that complete the look. Yes, that is the transition makeup look from winter to spring. Let me know. I am very happy with all the products that I use, and I will make sure to put the all the names on the description down below. And if you have any more question, if you want me to do a tutorial more like this, get ready with me, or something like seasonal makeup, let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, if you enjoy this video and tutorial today, please give it a big thumbs up. It's going to help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you wanted to see more of my future videos. And I will see you on my next one. Thank you guys. Bye.